The Fraser River and its shorelines have been actively used by First Nations since time immemorial for fishing, harvesting, and other important activities. The Pattullo Bridge Replacement Project site overlaps with the boundaries of two former reserves located in Kakite, an important village site for First Nations within the project area. In recognition of the deep historical and current connections First Nations have to the Pattullo Bridge Replacement Project area, the project has developed a First Nations cultural recognition program. As part of the program, Musqueam Indian Band and Kwantlen First Nation are bestowing the people of British Columbia a name for the new bridge in the Hunkaminam language. More details about the name will be shared in the coming months. The program will include the installation of artwork from First Nations artists on the bridge tower and approaches. Artworks will explore the overarching theme of kinship-based trade, transportation, and intergenerational connection. This theme will feature strongly in artwork installed on the lower legs, upper tower, and crossbeam of the new bridge in the coming months. Artwork on the bridge approaches will feature the theme of traditional and contemporary practices of weaving blankets and basketry. In New Westminster, artwork will be installed on sound walls, retaining walls, railings, and in concrete etchings at urban nodes. In Surrey, 2 retaining walls will feature First Nations artwork. The first of these has been unveiled along the northeast face of the old Yale Road overpass. Created by Kwantlen First Nation artist Phyllis Atkins, the artwork depicts sturgeon and oolakan, 2 Fraser River fish species significant to First Nations. In the coming months, more artists will be featured as art becomes visible. For more information, please visit pattellobridgereplacement.ca.